Hello everyone. So today we're gonna discuss about how to clean this messy data. If you see, the data was in unorganized way, and we need to make in an organized way. And this is our reference data. Now we need to clean the data in this format. Okay, we need to clean our dirty data into this format. So ship mode will be in the columns, and product should be column header, and order data and sales should be the column header, and these are the values under to that. And if you see here, ship mode and product and order date. So these are in the different rows, and you can see the sales values. Okay, it's an unorganized way. So now we need to perform the cleaning of this data. So now first of all, we need to do is go to the data tab and go to this sorry from table or range, right? So before going to this from table or range, um, it would be better if you do control here. Okay, from table or range. I don't want my table as header, so now I'm clicking on OK here. Or else if you want, you can convert it to the table format as well. It depends upon you. And if you see, there are some column header and columns that it's got loaded. Now we need to make the ship mode as a column header and product as a column header and audit it as a column header. And we need to organize our sales values data as well. So for that, first of all, I'm going to this transform, and under the transform, you can see option called transpose. So what is meant by transpose? Transpose is nothing but it will be converting our rows into columns and columns into rows. So on selecting here, you can see the data visually. And previously, if I undo this, ship mode, product, and order date, this on different rows, right? If you observe this data properly, see, and this becomes the row became columns here. Now we need to promote these rows as a header. So for that, go to the home tab, use first row as a header option. That's it. We got ship mode, product, and order date as a column headers. Now what we're gonna do is ship mode and product is in a correct format. I can observe this data. For ship mode, the truck is there, train is there, ship by air, and these all are the shipment modes. Product category it comes on the mobile, tab, laptop, and etc. These are the products that I can know. And but my order date values are indifferent. And if you see, the order date values went to the column headers. Okay, these are the column headers. So now, what is the option to resolve this issue? So that is nothing but unpivot. You can see an option in the unpivot in a power query. It's nothing but a data transformation. If that will be restructuring the data by turning the columns into rows. So I don't want these two needs to be get changed, right? So I'm selecting these two columns. Next, go to the transform option here and unpivot column. So what we need to unpivot other columns, that is order date, begins from the order date. So I'm unpivoting the other columns and I'm selecting OK. So as earlier we have mentioned, what is meant by the unpivot is nothing but restructuring our data by turning columns into rows. And previously my dates are in the date and time in the column format. So now I bring this into the row format. So next, what I need to do here is I'm changing the header name like order date. So next I need to perform a cleaning of the data. If you see there's an extensions like before to after the time there's underscore 16 kind of things. So we need to clean the data. So select this column, give a right click, split column option you can see by delimiter, and in the delimiter option we need to choose the custom, okay, and underscore, and click on OK. That's it. And you can see my and the delimiter where we made the data here in this column. So it went to this went to this other column. So what we can do here is now we can delete this, and yeah, that's it. And you can see is order date and the value. Now I just want this in a date format. So I'm selecting this, and it's the column name here is the sales, correct? And that's it. And I need to change the format as it was in the whole decimal format. So I'm changing it the same. That's it. We made the changes and go to the home tab and select this close and load. That's it. If you see, this is our table one, and this is our previous dirty data, and this is the clean data that we need to do the formatting that earlier have mentioned, that, and you can compare these things. See, ship mode, product, order date, and sales. We can change these headers as well. That's not a big thing. And that's it from me. Thank you.